Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Google on my laptop. To begin, we are going to go to the official Google link that we leave you in the video description. After that, we click on Download Chrome. When the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open it and confirm with Run. After that, wait for Chrome to download and install locally on your PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, it is possible to log in or not with our Google account. Now we are going to set Chrome as the default if the option has not appeared during the installation. To do this, click on the Customize menu and click on Settings. Here we click on Default Browser and check if we have already configured Chrome as the main browser. Otherwise, we will configure it with Make Default option and Set Default. If you want a specific page to start when you open Chrome, access a website. Afterwards, you will go to the On Startup option. Here, check the box, open a specific page, and you can enter the desired page or use the one you currently have open. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.